How to manage notifications on Reddit app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage notifications on Reddit app. So the first things we do is we go to Reddit, and after that we click on the top corner on your avatar, and after that you click on settings, and now you go to account settings in the top option, and after that you go to manage notifications, and here you will find a lot of options that you can enable or disable. Like for example, I want to disable the chat requests or the chat messages, or enable them. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.